Hi. In this demonstration, I will show how Virsec's cybersecurity solution, VSP, protects an Apache Tomcat server against the remote code execution vulnerability, CVE-2025-24813, which CISA had flagged as being actively exploited in the wild. What makes VSP unique is its ability to deliver patchless mitigation with zero dwell time, meaning customers can expect to prevent exploitation of a vulnerability in real time. Even when the vulnerability is a 0-day, when no patch is available, when a patch exists but isn't deployed, when the vendor's patch is broken, when the app is end of life, when IOCs are unavailable, and even when the exploit code is modified by the threat actor. Here are the CVE details. The CVE has a base score 9.8, making it a critical vulnerability. Virsec's VSP protects the workload in Step 9 by preventing the threat actor from executing the malicious PowerShell command to spawn a bindshell, thereby halting further propagation of the attack. This attack is first explored with VSP in detect and respond mode, where threat actions are logged and posted to the SIM, but exploitation is not prevented. Patchless mitigation, however, requires VSP's protect mode, which blocks the threat early in the kill chain, ensuring zero dwell time and preventing any opportunity for exploitation. Let us get back to the detect and respond mode demo. Here we have the Tomcat application running at the IP 10.47.7.101 on port 8080. This is the Auto dashboard. Let us ask Auto to enable detect mode for 10.47.7.101. As you can see here, detect mode is enabled successfully. On the left-hand side of the screen, we see the threat actor server, which I have hosted at the IP address 10.47.7.205. On the right side is the vulnerable Tomcat server I have hosted at IP address 10.47.7.101. This is the web root folder where I will drop the malicious session ID file. Now let us execute the exploit script by providing the base URL of the Tomcat application, the payload, and the WISO serial application path as input. Here we can see confirmation that the Tomcat is a vulnerable version. Now I will drop the malicious session ID file onto the server. As you can see on the right side of the screen, that the session ID file is dropped successfully. Now I will trigger the exploit using the URL and hijacked session ID. Let us wait for the payload to execute, as it takes few seconds for the server to load the session ID file. The exploit is successful. I am able to connect with this server from my remote machine. Let's run a few commands to verify the connection. We can confirm that we have administrative access, and from the ipconfig output, it's evident that we are connected to the Tomcat server. Let us get back to Auto. Let us ask for incident summary that can be provided to a CISO. Here, we observe 3 alerts generated for the attack, with incident details provided. I'll now ask Auto how much dwell time the attacker had during the attack. The first incident was raised by VSP within milliseconds of execution, ensuring immediate visibility into the intrusion. It appears that the threat actor then had 4 minutes before gaining administrative control on the server, after which the attacker continued to dwell. This highlights the value of detection mode. It provides crucial real-time visibility within milliseconds of the initial infiltration. Auto's recommendation is to enable protect mode for active blocking, ensuring zero dwell time. A step we'll demonstrate in the next part of the demo. Now, let us rerun the attack, but VSP will be in protect mode this time. As explained earlier, this mode delivers the patchless mitigation solution where the vulnerability cannot be exploited. In this mode, the threat actor will have zero dwell time. Let me ask Auto to enable protect mode for the Tomcat server. It is successfully enabled. Now I will execute the exploit script once again. As you can see, the exploit failed since we are not able to connect to the vulnerable server on port 4444, meaning VSP has successfully blocked the attack. Now, let us go back to the Auto dashboard. Let us request for incident summary. Here are the details. Let's ask Otto how much dwell time the attacker had this time during the attack. As shown, it was 0 seconds, meaning the threat was blocked instantly before any malicious activity could occur. This demonstrates the power of VSP's Protect mode, which stops the attack early in the kill chain and ensures complete prevention with 0 dwell time for attackers. By blocking the threat actor's ability to execute any code, VSP achieves patchless mitigation with 0 dwell time for the threat actor. Thank you. Visit us at www.virsec.com to learn more about patchless mitigation.